So today is a very special day for me. Today, I'm going over to Government House in Sukbader Square to present my letter of credence from President Joe Biden to President Hroelsuk, which officially accredits me as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the United States of America to Mongolia. So today is actually my very first official day as U.S. Ambassador.
Hey everyone, I just presented my credentials to President Hroelsuk. It was a fantastic meeting. We talked about a lot of substantive issues and where we can find opportunities where we can work together to build on the already terrific cooperation we have between U.S. and Mongolia. I look forward to starting work and I look forward to meeting you all soon.